Hello, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to, of course, explore and celebrate some more things that people with autism and other disabilities can do. Now, for those of you who don't know, Elias is actually in a school-to-work program, and these are for persons who have some challenges, some with disabilities, and it helps them to cope with their everyday lifestyle. And they have at the school-to-work program, which in this area is with the IU Division 13, so the intermediate unit does have a school-to-work program. And they have a few, I guess you can say, sponsors. And those sponsors will actually hire these kids at the regular rate that they hire everybody else to do some work. And it could be anything from putting plastic boxes together to putting newspapers together. And some of them even deliver the newspapers with, of course, the instructors being with them. But there's also, of course, they get paid. So this is going to be Elias's first check that he received, and we'll see what his reaction is and what he thinks.
But first, let's see what other types of tasks the schoolwork program teaches. The students are also taught janitorial duties, such as emptying the nursery buckets, collecting the trash from various areas of the building, transporting the trash up the hill to the dumpsters, and emptying the trash into the dumpsters effectively. Students are also taught assembly work, as well as craftsmanship tasks like making clips and posters, and decorative wall hangers.
Across. We'll capture all the horizontal, and then we'll put those in.
Effectively taking over your workbooks and building employee acceptance is also skills. But how does Elias like getting paid to learn?
And of course, this is one of their uniforms that they wear. School to work program. And Elias just found out that he got his first check. So go ahead and open it up, see what you got. Is this exciting? Yeah. How much did you get? It should tell you right over here.
$24.88.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Your first paycheck, buddy. So what we got? See if I can get a focus on that. $24.88. Fantastic. Good job, buddy. All right. So anything you want to say about the program?
I like the program.
Especially now since you finally got your paycheck, huh?
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this peek into the schoolwork program at the Lancaster Lebanon UI. We enjoy your constructive comments and invite you to subscribe to help us make more videos in the future. And as always, have a great day.